Guys, make sure to stay until the end. One common mistake, if you make that mistake, guys, we'll talk about what it is. It can actually cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11 from year 2010 to year 2017. If you need to find, guys, where the relay for the air conditioner is located, where you can find that relay, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do almost anything. Transmissions, engines, bodywork, codes, fuses. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Now, guys, we took pictures of every fuse box in that BMW, okay? Every fuse box, so we can clearly, guys, show you where everything is located, so you can clearly see the fuses, because otherwise they're hidden in places where practically we cannot get the camera. So we're going to show you one by one, okay? We have video about every single fuse, every single relay. So let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to, guys, okay, find where the fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, watch our video. It will take you probably, guys, less than 2 minutes, replace that fuse and you're back on the road. Otherwise you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We make those videos for your convenience. Now, we'll make video for every single fuse and every single relay, guys, and we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel. Check it out, they can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. For the air conditioner, which relay we need to check, we will, guys, demonstrate on this BMW 5 Series right here. Now you guys have many hidden fuse boxes all over this car, and 9 out of 10 people, they don't even know they exist, guys. I don't blame them, they're really hidden. We will recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW F10 F11. But what you guys need to do, you need to go ahead and open the passenger door. When you do that, open your glove box. On the very back, on the right side, you have a cover. Remove that cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses, guys, sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need, guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money, guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good. Always test it. It even happened to us, guys, okay? And we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see, guys, how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically, guys, do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So, guys, if you want to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a really good price, quick shipping as well, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below, guys. Make sure you get some for peace of mind, and you can put some spare ones in the glove box. So, guys, now for the AC clutch, AC compressor, air conditioner, practically will be one relay. If you want to see, guys, how to test AC clutch, how to replace AC clutch, how to test AC pressure solenoid, that's very important as well. If that doesn't work, your AC will not work. We'll have all these videos on our channels. Check it out, guys. It will teach you how to do that. As you can see here, you have only one relay. Some other cars may have an extra one right here, but none of those are for the air conditioner. The other main fuse box is in the trunk. So if you remove the cover on the side, you'll see a fuse box here, and here you'll find one relay. However, underneath you may have up to 3 more. None of those are again for the air conditioner. Another place where you guys have fuses that you may need to check, okay, will be under the hood. On the passenger side, remove that trim piece you see right here. That's the top view. And here, that's a fuse box. That's the top view of that fuse box. Here, if you open it, it's supposed to be non-serviceable, but people do open them, and we've done it too, and we replace a fuse, but also we have 3 integrated relays there as well, guys. But usually those are not for the AC compressor. So you wonder where they're located, guys. Okay, let me show you now. We're going to come back to that BMW, and if you don't have a relay, we'll explain what else you need to check. But if we open the trunk now, okay, we open the trunk, and if you lift your carpet liner here, you have the storage bin here with 2 nuts usually, one here, one on the other side. Remove it, and you have the battery, and here you may have an extra relay, or it may be, guys, under that trim right here on some cars, okay, underneath. You may have an extra relay. If you don't have an AC, okay, AC clutch, AC compressor relay, guys, you need to check your fuses. You may not have on some models a relay, and if you don't, it's controlled by the body control module practically, guys. So we will recommend to check out the video about the AC clutch, AC compressor, air conditioner fuses. We have the videos on our channels. Check it out. It will teach you all about that, because on some cars they're known as relay fuses, but actually just a fuse, and the relay part is controlled by the computer on these BMWs on some models. So you guys have all kinds of different fuses, relays, okay, in that car. So what we recommend, guys, okay, buy some spare fuses, relays, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, okay, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. So always keep some spare fuses and relays in your glove box, guys. That way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.